My name is Benson Emmanuel from Forestry Mechanization. We are pleading on the government to come and rescue us. Most of us here have been injured, badly injured. Time is going. Most of us here are having health issues, and they are complaining about the government trying to send security operatives to come and rescue us from here, which is almost and a half impossible because these people they have surrounded us, saying anybody that comes from anywhere to come and rescue us or do anything by force, they are going to take our lives. And they are pleading on the government to come. We are pleading on the government to come now that is early, because these people they have bad minds towards us. We are pleading on the government to come and help us, because without the government coming to our rescue this early and having any settled issue with them, there will be a serious problem with us. We are pleading on the government to come and help us. Thank you.
Wata mata yi magana cikin mata. Wata ya kamata ta yi magana.
Assalamu alaikum. Ni ɗaya daga cikin ɗaliban makarantar Forestry Mechanization wanda aka kama shekaran jiya. Muna roƙon gwamnati da ta taimaka mana. Na ji suna cewa za su turo sojoji su zo su taimaka su fitar da mu. To don Allah su taimake mu su kawo mana asiri, saboda mutane sun gaya mana cewa duk wani soja da ya kusanci wurin ko ɗayan mu ba zai koma gida ba. A taimaka ma rayuwar mu. Na gode.
Ɗauko sosai.